How to create stickers on the iPhone manually. Let me show you the options which we have available. Let's get started, and if you're new, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So of course you can use the built-in method by going to the camera app, and if you have some photos ready, ideally some of them which the subject is clearly visible, you can hold down on it like that. It will be selected, so you'll know that it is properly chosen, and the add sticker option should appear like that, so you can turn it into a sticker, no problem there. But since we are in here, you can also tap on the plus button right away, and it will just go to your photo, so you're gonna go the other way around, and it will also turn the photo into a sticker from this approach, right? So that is something which you could technically do as well. However, if you don't like these kind of like automatic built-in options, you can as well just get the apps from the App Store, which are like the sticker makers. There are actually plenty of them, right? So it depends on which one you prefer, but there are so many apps to pick from. But even when you get like the sticker application already, you'll be able to see that there are plenty of ways to play with the stickers and be much more like manual in the process of creating them, right? So the built-in solution works fine. Usually you have some effects or whatever, but if you want to be much more like, if you want to be customizing your stickers and that kind of thing, then you'll likely need to use a third-party app like that one, right? So yeah, there are some apps which also require a subscription. So as I say, it really comes down to the way you want to use it. So just explore the options. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and explanations like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.